Glad to meet me. I think you should. I mean, I really think you should. Aren't you glad to meet me?
We've already got some nice tracks in the grass, but we're gonna try and make a video with this guy. So, how do you think it's going?
It's going fine. The truck's dying.
Yeah, it's dying already. Oh, I got the perfect idea. So, do that jump again, like right in that shade spot, and then up.
Like right here?
Yeah, like right where that little shade spot is.
Wow, that was quite bad.
That one clip was awesome though. It came right in the.
Yeah.
I was so cool. I watched it in the camera. That was awesome.
I'm gonna have to go over here so I can see it.
Ah, it's too close. Did it hit the tree?
Yeah.
They're made for durability.
It's got a bumper for a reason.
Yeah. And the bodies are made cheap for a reason.
It turned it off. Okay. Just keep doing all this in. Just kind of.
Yeah, just do a couple more loops. All right, one more.
You can barely get up the hill now.
Might be dead. Did it finally? Oh, that gives me another idea for a shot.
those rocks. Hey, this thing will. Ready? Oh, not that way.
That still worked. I still got it.
I beached it.
Is it
This
like...
thing is full, you know, those bugs that we had in the backyard. It's full of these. I can see them crawling around.
Oh no. Let me see. Let's look at the...
You want to get more street shots then?
Let's look at the damage. Where did you see those bugs?
No, they're all in there.
Oh,
Not,
they're
like,
all
on
in
the
there.
truck.
More of the street shots. More of the street shots. Oh gosh. We left our mark. Then like have it come up in park somewhere. For like the ending, have it like come up in park somewhere. Is it already dying?
It died.
Then it'll park right there.
Okay, so we're trying to figure out 3 camera angles, and I think we found it. Hopefully this goes well.
So we came up with a few ideas. So we got one camera that's gonna go here. We got one right there,
Okay,
and I
well,
wanted
you
a
see,
third
if I'm
one.
going to do this, I'm going to do something. I'm going to need to tighten this down so it doesn't roll. Okay? Oh my god. Come off the end! This is just so it doesn't roll too much. Red tree, a running tree. There was a tree, a red tree, a running tree, tree in a hole in a bucket, a tree in a hole in a bucket, rock it in the valley. Go! Oh god.
But yeah, so I wanted a wide angle for us. And then I started coming up with some crazy ideas.
Okay, got this.
Oh, watch out for the fan.
Yeah. Something like, oh my god.
You know I can help you fix that. Did you put it on upside down?
I did.
Actually, you know what? That can work.
Oh wait.
It clamps on the back.
Yeah.
That could work.
Oh, I just wiggled it off. Moved away.
Do you know the way? Sir, sir.
So funny.
Sir, do you know the way? There we go.
Just like. Oh my god!
Okay, that's a bit high. Sir, sir, do you know the way?
Of course!
You must have Ebola to know the way.
I know.
It is not gay unless it's in Zimbabwe. Oh god. No, put it the other way. That's the bigger end. Put it the other way.
Do you know the way?
It must go the other way for you to know the way. Because of the clamp.
Okay, I think I might have another way. Scene one of the scene one movie. Rolling.
Behind the scenes. I was about ready to clamp your face. So we just finished filming Game Night Fun.
That took way too long!
And as you can see, marbles are all over the floor.
Including the what is this called? Mahjong?
And that, I believe,
No, that
pretty sure that
that
worked.
is not, it's man calling, not Mahjong.
Pretty sure that worked. But now, so I don't ruin this camera, we're going to end this clip of behind the scenes, but, you know.
Wait.
So-
Watch this. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Tell me when you're recording. Oh. It seems as if I'm deflating.
So we're getting ready to film a Terrible Octing. And,
Or I'm wearing a trash bag.
yeah. So, we're going to be wearing these, and yeah, it's going to be really interesting. So,
Yeah.
we're going to see how this goes. I can no longer see. Oh my. I can no longer see.
This is my bag now.
What?
Okay, let me just see this real fast. Any last words to your Mega Mind?
I love you, Mega Mind.
Ah. You're defeated Mega Mind.
Did you like cut me open?
Yes, I did. I actually cut you open.
He cut me open for an autopsy. He had to do an autopsy on the Mega Mind Lord.
Hey.
The Mega Mind leader.
What was that, you guys? Is it even recording?
Yes, it is.
Good.
Good, because that would have been...
Bye!